If you're looking for a truly delicious dinner, try this recipe. I promise you'll thank me later. Slice the potatoes into even, round pieces, then arrange them in a baking tray lightly greased with oil. In a bowl, pour the milk and add the black pepper, chili powder, and 5 grams of salt. Mix well until the spices are fully combined. Pour the milk mixture over the potatoes, then cut the pork neck into bite-sized cubes. In a hot pan, add the pork and sear for about 5 minutes until it turns a golden, appetizing colour. Add the seared meat on top of the potatoes, then generously sprinkle with cheddar and regular cheese for a rich, creamy layer. Finally, sprinkle with 5 grams of oregano for extra flavour. Cover the tray with aluminum foil and place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Enjoy your meal! Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and give this video a like. You can also give it a little hype. It helps me a lot and it's completely free.